Welcome all. In this session, I am going to tell you about the applications of DBMS. Let's see some of the applications where database management system uses. First of all, let us know the first application, that is railway reservation system. The railway reservation system database plays a very important role by keeping record of ticket booking, train's departure time, and arrival status, and also gives information regarding train led to people through the database. Another application, that is library management system. Nowadays, it's become easy to the library to track each book and maintain it because of database. This happens because there are thousands of books in the library. It is very difficult to keep a record of all books in a copy or register. Now DBMS used to maintain all the information related to books issue, dates, name of the book author, and availability of book. Another topic is, that is banking. Banking in one of the main application of database. We all know there will be a thousands of transactions through bank daily, and we are doing this without going to the bank. This is possible just because of DBMS that manages all the bank transaction. Now let us move on the another important, that is universities and colleges. Nowadays examinations are done online, so the universities and colleges are maintaining DBMS to store student registration details, result courses, and create all the information in the database. For example, telecommunications without DBMS, there is no telecommunication company. DBMS is most useful to these companies to store the all details and monthly postpaid bills. And last application, that is social media sites. By filling the required details, we are able to access social media platform. Many users sign up daily and social websites such as Facebook and Instagram. All the information related to the user are stored and maintained with the help of DBMS. Thank you.